So for activity number 4, which is the ATM. So here are the source. So i-run natin yan. Ayan. 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 Title natin. So sample. Yan. So kung may makikita yung withdraw deposit check balance nila. So withdraw. Halimbawa, 1,000. So insufficient balance. So kailangan mo natin deposit ay 1,000. So deposit pa rin. So makikita natin yung pwede natin check yung balance natin which is 5,000. Then makakapag-withdraw tayong sample 2,500. Then mag-withdraw tayo ng 2,500 and kaya natin i-check ulit yung balance kung nabukasan. So nabukasan yung balance natin ng 2,500. So can see gumagana yung ating system. So gagawin natin, try natin log out. Then yes. So bumalik na sa dati ating system. So yan lang. Thank you.